When we go live with NetDocs, one of the biggest questions I get is how do I find documents in other cabinets? Statements like you didn't move over the accounting files, you didn't move over the personal files. And probably my fault because 95% of your documents are in your client based cabinet, and that's where I spend most of the time in the training. So, the first thing you have to determine when you're looking for documents is it a folder based cabinet or is it a workspace based? So if we come over here to this go to matter button, this is a workspace based cabinet. I have to choose a client. I have to choose a matter. If you click on the arrow here, you will see the other workspace based cabinets that you might have. And you'll simply come down and choose one of them and then fill in the information. So if the cabinet is workspace based, you will see it wherever this orange button is, where you can click on the drop down arrow and then you can choose a different cabinet. If it is folder based, you are going to come over to the three lines right here and you're going to see your cabinets. This cabinet called users is folder based. I am not clicking on the word user. I'm clicking on the triangle next to it and then I'm seeing the folder and I can open up that folder and browse around. I can go into other folders and come back out again. If you come over here and click on the thumbtack, you will always keep this opened. You can actually also, in your other workspace-based cabinets, see recent and favorite matters, but that's it. So if something is not a recent or favorite matter, you're going to need to come over to this orange go to matter to go to it.